great music in church distract worshippers from their focus on their scriptural texts? Or does the sublime power of the sound convey the blessing of the heaven? To this day, many consider unison song essential for the building collective purpose, whether in a worship or in another group activity, while others rely on the polyphony to convey magnificence and glory, whether in the church or in other place of the celebration. A similar debate was at the core of Christian reform in the 1500s, while Protestants argue for the simple unity of the congregational singing. Catholic affirmed the power of the professional choir and the complex texture, especially polyphony, in the form of Mass. The Mass is the most formal ritual of the Catholic Church and the one generally attended by the public worshippers. The collection of the prayers that make up the Mass falls into two categories. The ordinary text that remains in the same in every Mass, and the proper texts that vary from day to day throughout the church, depending on the feast being celebrated.